All right, so welcome to an inspection day. Well, supposedly, this is not how we started, but oh no, this is ridiculous. I'm so sick of those Class A's. Try to figure out a way to grab those handles. We're solving this today. I'm done. The hell with the inspection. Cut. We're done. So here's what we're going to install. Everybody has seen one of those RV screen door crossbar. It will be a screen door. So here's a couple of tools that you need. Real complicated. Pencil, the screwdriver if you want to. I typically run my bit. And here's the screws they're going to give you. You're going to have 6 of those. 2 for adjusting this and 4 for each corner. These are so cheap that even if you put a hand screwdriver and you have a little bit of resistance, you'll strip those. So here's my suggestion. At least pre-tap your holes with those. Those are number 8s, by the way. You're going to take a 5/64 drill bit. You take a 5/64 to pre-drill your holes in order to be able to get this. So see, if I look at this, this will give me place for a hole and will also give me meat to be able to have this hold on to the handle and to the metal. So let's go in there. I got this. These are my tools. Let's go with the door. First thing you're going to do before you start drilling, which I will set this up, but you're going to take your pencil and you're going to adjust the length of this. As you can see, I already pre-drilled it because we already filmed this. I already did it. And we got kind of screwed with the volume on the video. So I got to redo it. So it's already preset, but it's the same principle. So you're going to set up the width of your handle. And you're going to figure out, with your pencil, you're going to mark this. And you're going to mark this. And what you're going to do, worst case, you're going to turn them like this. And you're going to bring it back to where your mark will be. And you're going to line it up with where your mark are. See, I had my mark here earlier. And what you're going to do, you're going to drill into those, pre-drill those. So then you'll be done with this. These little screws are going to go right here. And they have those little black screws like I told you. I use self-tapping because it's quicker, easier. And they actually stay there. So 2 little screws. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to take this bar and we're going to line this up with the first hole. So what I mean with this, so you're going to change your drill bit. So the first thing I did, I went up in here and I saw the height that I want this to happen. And this was my height that I wanted to be able to handle this and actually grab it and close it. The mesh to the real door. See the height difference right there that I have? That'll be way easier to grab when I'm in here. So that's what I did. So now I figured, okay, I'm going to do 1 hole to know my height that I want. So I'm going to pre-drill this little hole. So you're going to go in here. Now I had my first hole. So I'm going to show you how to line it up, which is the way I do it. Some people take a tape. Some people take a level, which you should never take a level on a camper, because if your camper is not level, the whole thing's not going to be level. So what you do, you just tighten this one here. And now what you do, you're going to reference yourself again with another hole. So you're going to put your drill bit. You're going to put this physically level so you're comfortable with, okay, yeah, it looks nice. It looks about level. So now we're talking. So now you're going to take your drill bit and you're going to do your start hole at the beginning here, and then you're going to finish your hole. You're going to drill your hole out there, and that's where I was telling you, I showed in the other video. So I want you to take other screws, not the little black cheap screws. You're going to take regular screws that have, see, this cross is way bigger than those little black ones. So see how there's nothing there? So this will give you more grip onto your screw. So you'll be able to preset your hole. And now you have a path that even if you want to put the black ones, that's going to look nicer then you can put them on. Let's just fast forward to all the drilling, and we'll end up at the end recapping to see what it looks like. So see, this is a big thing, and I want you to be aware of this. Every time you drill around your camper, these are shaving. These are metal shaving. Our little buddies, cats, dogs, these will grab, stab their paws right away. So make sure when you're done with a project around your camper, you take a vacuum, even if it's outside, because they go outside all the time, and this is the kind of thing they'll get into. So just saying.
Let's show you how easy it is to open up the door. I like the door because I can reach this when I'm going in, and then I can't fall. And I can open it easy, and I can shut it easy. I like it because it's nice and shiny like a diamond. I like the door handle. I can reach it out forward, and I can set it easy and open it easy. I like about this handle because it's easy to shut and open. And I like about this handle because it's nice and clean. Look how easy it is to shut the door. This is how easy it is to open the door. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
So talking about those pets, pet safety, we'll link a video right above. So we want you to go visit this. If they're part of your life, they're part of ours too. So we're done with our project, and see how easier it is now, even with my screen door, which is way nicer. Now I actually have a bar that, see, even if I'm inside, I can grab it. Before, I had to go down there to push this. This is ridiculous. So when this is closed up, it's the same thing. Like I said, you got a big door. How do you, so you got to grab this to come back up here. It's not friendly. This is the way to go. Now you have it, and hopefully that was easy enough to make you understand where it's at, where we're going, how easy it was to install. Hopefully you figured that one out. Remember, and do never forget,
It's not all about the destination, it's all about the journey. Don't
do it again.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell.
Okay, that's all right. So grab each other. Since you don't want to be in there, it's fine.
Okay, ready?
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to. It's not all about. I tell you! Ah! Stop back here! It's not about the destination, it's all about the journey. We got you! It's not all about the destination, it's all about the journey.